Do I have a treat for you? The Trezor Safe 5. This is the Bitcoin only version and it's bright orange as you can see here, and with the beautiful quote from Satoshi Nakamoto. Let's go through this Trezor 5 and see if it's a worthy purchase or not. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed and today we're unboxing the Trezor Safe 5. This is the package that's arrived in. This had the my address and stuff there, and yeah, let's go on with that. I don't think we'll need the knife this time around. Excellent. So it had a slip. I had to take that out straight away. It ruined the whole experience of you seeing it straight away because it had the business address and stuff that was on there. So obviously I don't want to display everything. But yeah, anyway, let's throw this package away. There was no point of removing that front bit, was there? Anyways, this is the Trezor Safe 5. I got the Bitcoin only version, as you can see here. So the Bitcoin hardware. What that basically means is that they do two versions. One which is a multi blockchain version, so you can have like all the altcoins and stuff like that, like Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, whatever it is. But this one's Bitcoin only firmware. I don't believe you can even install the multi-chain one because they just allow Bitcoin only in this. So when I do set it up, that is another video that I'm going to be doing. When I set it up, you'll see that it's only going to be the Bitcoin only. I've got a few questions that I have regarding that, because one of my worries is this is a wallet which is completely open source, right? But you have to plug it in to power it up. There's no battery or anything from my understanding. But yeah, let's go look at the product, and then obviously I'll show you close-ups and stuff that I normally do and give you a lot more information about the product itself. Anyways, Trezor Safe 5 Bitcoin only. Let's look at the sides. This is it's very light, it seems. Bitcoin security made easy, Trezor.io. There's some QR code there, and here, open here. Okay, so that's basically security section there. You have to open that just so you know that it's not been tampered with. We'll test it out. Anyways, it's been cling filmed or whatever, shrink wrapped, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, Bitcoin hardware wallet, color touchscreen and haptic feedback, EAL6 secure element protection, so that's security element. The original ones didn't have a security element, and obviously if somebody had access to your hardware wallet, there was a hack that happened where you could extract the seed phrase. But obviously because of the security element, you can watch my video on that as well. I go into more detail what security element is, but because of that you won't be able to extract the seed phrase. Trade, save and transact, Corning Gorilla Glass protection, so it's meant to be scratch resistant. I'm not going to test that, but Gorilla Glass is very strong apparently. I don't really do tests like that. However, the glass that I do know is scratch resistant is like for example my watch, it's sapphire crystal, right? So yeah, Gorilla Glass is meant to be strong as well. Anyways, work with the Trezor Suite app. I don't even think I'm ever going to really use that besides the setup. USB-C cable included, Bitcoin orange, the barcode, that's what's on here. Let's actually cut it up and go through the actual product itself, right? I'm going to do a nice little slit here. As you know, I like my boxes to stay in pristine condition. Right. Okay, now I want to know. Okay, that's good. So what I was just testing here is, can you slide it through? Because if you look here, I thought that you can just slide it, so what's the point of this little strip here? But yeah, you can't slide it. I think that's locked here. But anyways, let's see, open here. Hopefully that was a bit of some juicy ASMR for you. But yeah, anyways, ooh, it might make sense just to get some in case it catches on. Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay, so that's a quote from Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, the one that created the white paper and stuff like this. Yeah, so it's a very good saying. You might as well just get some Bitcoin or Satoshis, because if it catches on, it'll be worth something, right? And obviously it has caught on. And it's rip off cover, store your Trezor. Oh, that's interesting. This is like meant to be like some storage case. So it has some stuff here that you can peel off. Okay, I don't know why I would ever store this like that. You should get like a protective case if you wanted to. And you could realistically leave it in a safe or somewhere safe. Lol, Trezor Safe, haha. But yeah, so yeah, I wouldn't really leave it in a package. But anyways, let me open it and show you. That's very interesting. Can you see that there? Can you see those little dust specks? That's interesting. Is there dust on this? Why is there dust? I just opened this now. Interesting. Trezor. Okay. It looks like when they manufactured it, they left a bit of dust. There's actually a little line there as well. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. I need to show you a bit of a close-up. You can't really see that. It's like a little scratch. But I know that this is a film on top, so hopefully the product itself isn't scratched. I will be checking that out. But yeah, there's a lot of security precautions to make sure it's not been tampered with, and they give that as well when you set it up. But anyways, let's look here. Get started. What's in here? I think it's going to be the security seed phrases that you can keep. Yep, get started. Oh, some stickers. Okay, it's just telling you download suite. Okay, check that the security seal is intact before removing. The hologram shows void after it has been removed. Okay, that'll be good to see. Download the app and then connect your Trezor using a USB cable and set it up. Keep in mind your wallet backup recovery seed phrase is yours. Okay, it's giving some information regarding seed phrases. That's good. Okay, so Trezor sticker there, another sticker there, love Bitcoin there, another sticker. So 3 stickers, that's pretty nice. And it's giving a wallet backup up to 20 words. Interesting. So it's not following. Okay, actually, let me check this one out, actually. Yeah, 20 word. So that's interesting, right? As we know, BIP 39 is up to 24 words, right? 12, 18, 24. There's a new standard that Trezor, by the way, Satoshi Labs is the people that have created these standards, right? But they've created a new one for 20 words. Why? It's actually easier to go into the Shamir backup. So what they want is, if you're basically putting 20 words later, you can add it into a Shamir backup, which is basically having multi-share seed phrases. I am going to be doing a Shamir setup on this Trezor for my next video that comes out regarding the Trezor and the setup process, because I want to show you what Shamir is and give you a bit more information. But yeah, do subscribe for that if you want to stay tuned and watch that. Let's look at the USB cable. This is plastic. It's not braided at all. USB-C to C. That's what it looks like here, okay? USB-C to C. Okay, that's great. Let's look at the actual product. This is very light. Very, very light. Okay, let's see. Does it say void or not? No, it does not. Right, it doesn't say void anywhere. It's still the sticker. Okay, I will be peeling that off soon. But that's interesting, right? You can't see that scratch there, but that's really bugging me. Let me put that away. Let me put all of this away. I don't need any of that. I don't know who would use these stickers. It's like Apple. They give a lot of stickers, but who actually uses the stickers long? Okay, cool. So this is it. I'm going to peel that off. Because actually, do you know what? I need to peel it off just to check. Okay, yeah, it's not scratched. That's the main thing I want to check. But I'm going to leave that on for now because I don't really... I really bought this just for testing purposes of stuff. Ooh, that's very nice. Look at that. It says Trezor. And that's a micro SD card slot. Okay. You can install firmware like this, or you can do it from the website or the application itself. Does it ever cross your mind, where does JBINZALA get all of his clothing from? Well, you can find it all on my official store on JBINZALA.xyz. You can also find my asset portfolio, my crypto asset portfolio, and my shares and stocks portfolio. What do I actually invest in? I've got knowledge-based articles on my website. I've also got a section where you can book a one-to-one with me. Have some personal time with me, lol. You can book one-to-ones just to help you out as an individual. In addition, you can create content like the way I do by going onto my video setup and my photo setup gear list. You can see exactly what type of gear I use, and hopefully that will help you if you were to ever begin on your content creation journey. I've said enough. Let's continue with the actual content. Bye-bye. So let's go ahead and peel this off here. Ooh. Okay, what's that little, okay, I don't know what that is. Some part peeled off. I'm gonna try to do it very slowly, right? Okay, it's tearing quite a bit of the glue off. It looks like it will. It's very, very sticky. Okay, it's saying void, void, void basically everywhere. That's how you know it's been tampered with, I guess. Interesting. So hold on, is that section meant to, I think that section's meant to be staying on there, but yeah, it's very sticky here. I'm gonna have to use like some alcohol and alcohol wipes and stuff to remove this. Okay, that's what it looks like here. But yeah, can you see, look at the color of this. I just wanted to go over that quickly. It's Bitcoin orange, FA100, lol, I don't know the code. But yeah, this is very, very nice. I like the, do you know what, it's touchscreen. There's many, many other hardware wallets out there. There's one other one to actually look into. It's called the Cold Card. That's a very interesting Bitcoin only wallet, hardware wallet. So anyways, yeah, this is the product anyways. What do you think? Comment down below what you think of this Trezor. This is just an unboxing just to show you close-ups of the device and stuff. I hope you, I do want to say one thing before I like wrap up and stuff. It feels very plasticky. It doesn't feel like metal or anything. It's very plastic. This is Gorilla Glass. Yeah, that's great. But yeah, I'm gonna go over all the features and stuff and give you some in-depth information about this product. And before I do that, as you know, I line everything up that I have or that they gave just to show you, and then I go over everything. But yeah, let me do that. Okay, so the Trezor 5. So as you can see there, it is a color touchscreen that it's compared to the other two that they have, which are just buttons. This one actually has a color touchscreen. It's 1.54-inch color display. It's got a haptic feedback, so whenever you touch it, you can actually feel that it's got feedback, and you know that you're clicking something. The Gorilla Glass, as I mentioned, is supposed to be scratch resistant. Trezor does support over 1,000 coins, just so you're aware, but this one is a Bitcoin only, and this is the only one which is orange in their whole lineup, and it's Bitcoin only. So if you wanted the orange one, you'd only be able to store Bitcoin on it. Anyways, there's a security element which protects it, which is EAL6 plus certified. As I mentioned, all the code and everything is fully open source. Excellent. You want this in a hardware wallet. It's open source. You can use your PIN to get into it, and you can also use a passphrase. There's on-device entry, and as I said, they're using the 20-word backup solution. You can still use 12-word and the 24-word, but the 20-word is easier to migrate into the Shamir backup. Only the Keystone and the Trezor do Shamir right now. That's called a Shamir Slip 39 multi-share backup. As you can see, there's a USB-C slot here. You can send, receive, stake, and trade crypto. The problem is, right, you can only use the companion app, which is connected by USB, as I've said, and it's only powered via USB. There's an increase in privacy with coin control, apparently. They use a company which you need to do some research. There's somebody great to watch, right? I recommend there's another YouTuber called Bitcoin University. He's given some information regarding Trezor and the coin control. He doesn't recommend using it, and nor do I, because of the fact that the data is still being used and going somewhere on a database, and it's not true coin control. There are other applications for that, but yeah, there's just a disclaimer. I haven't fully looked into it, but that's what Bitcoin University says, and his videos are normally very credible. He's a full-on Bitcoin maxi, so do watch him. I enjoy his videos too. But anyways, so you can protect your identity with Tor apparently as well. You can use this product with something called Sparrow Wallet or Spectre. These are other applications, so you don't need to just use the Trezor Suite, which they recommend, right? Trezor Suite is an application for Trezor and the other items, but Sparrow, for example, is a Bitcoin-only open source tool to basically, it basically gives you so much information. You can watch my video regarding Sparrow as well. It's an excellent tool. You can create like multi-sig, everything with that. I've got a lot of information on my channel regarding that. One thing I do want to mention regarding my next video with this Trezor and setting it up and showing you the Shamir backup, I did want to mention the fact that this allows you to use Shamir backup, and there are only two products which allow that right now, two hardware wallets, which is the Trezor and the Keystone. In addition, I want, in that video, I will be trying to answer a question for myself, which I was very intrigued to know. This is my first Trezor. They didn't give this to me or nothing. I purchased it with my own money. It's pretty expensive. But at the end of the day, it's a Bitcoin only. I wanted one, and this is what I wanted to actually test, right? What I want to test is the fact, apparently you can only do all the firmware and stuff through Trezor Suite, but I was wondering, can you just power this up with like a power bank or something after you've installed the application and then set it up? Because I'm not really that comfortable with setting up the seed trays and stuff like that with a USB connected. We'll find out. But I know that obviously the code and stuff makes it secure. So does the EL6 Plus certified security element. I'm just paranoid. But anyways, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of content regarding crypto and Bitcoin and yeah, the whole space. But yeah, do stay tuned and comment down below if you wanted to mention anything, if you have any concerns with Trezor or the company or anything like that. I'm interested to know. But lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.